Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to stop ringtone or off ringtone on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. Here's the setting, just tap on setting. After that you have to scroll on the down, you just keep scrolling, and here you can see the option of sound and vibration. Friends, you have just tap on it, on the sound and vibration. When you click on the sound and vibration, here move on ringtone. Okay, when you click on ringtone, here on the screen you can see on the down, here is the profile option. Just click on the profile. When you move on the profile, here again you can see the option of ringtone. Okay, so just tap on the ringtone. When you click on the ringtone, if you want to off the ringtone, what you need to do is that you can see the first option is set, you don't set ringtone. Okay, so if you want to off the ringtone, you just need to click this don't set ringtone apply option. Click on ok, and the ringtone will not apply. Okay, the ringtone will be removed. Okay, if you want to off the ringtone, you can off like this. Okay, if you want to set ringtone, you can set from here. If you want to off, then here is the option. The first option is the don't set ringtone. Okay, just need to click on apply and click on ok. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.